Hey y'all, it's Kameron from Cuttin Corners Vinyl in Neyland, Texas. Sorry if this is a little rough because it's my first ever tutorial by myself. So we're doing a Godzilla shirt since me and my family just saw the new Godzilla movie. So our shirt will be this olive green Bell-end canvas, extra small.
Deco Soft.
Deco Soft.
Charcoal.
Charcoal gray.
And Deco Soft.
Deco Soft.
Matte Silver.
Matte Silver.
You're also going to need
a Teflon sheet. Handy dandy t-shirt guide.
And we use a
16-inch.
And why do we use a 16-inch?
Because our press is 16-inch.
And then what else do you need?
A pick.
Your Easy Weeding wooden pick. And our heat press is preheated to
330 or 350.
No.
305.
Yes, 305. Okay, now if you'll give us a moment to change the camera angle, we will show you everything that we are going to do today.
We are going to transfer the Godzilla SVG to Cricut Design Space.
So this file is for personal use only.
This file is for personal use only.
And you can find this file at
Patreon, Betsy. Okay.
So we need to download the file.
We need to download the file.
Save.
Click Save. Go to Google Chrome. Go to Upload. Go to Upload Image. Browse. Select the Godzilla file. Click Save. And insert the image. Select the image and then insert it.
Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and ungroup.
So we're going to go ahead and ungroup it. And we're going to weld together the grade portion so it doesn't move. Then we're going to weld together the black portion.
Now we're going to click on Make It.
We're going to click on Make It.
We're going to go ahead and click Mirror.
We're going to click Mirror. On both.
Click Continue.
Click Continue. We're going to select Iron On.
Now if you give us a moment.
If you give us a moment.
To change the camera angle.
To change the camera angle.
We will show you everything we're going to do.
We will show you everything we're going to do. So I have this, silver, or silver. I'm gonna put on. Sorry. I'm gonna put on the mat. You gotta do it face down in the color. Make sure you get it all on there. Okay. Okay, so now we're gonna put it in here. Now we're gonna press the blinking Cricut button. And we can leave it going.
While that's cutting, you want to go ahead and load your shirt?
Yes. Okay. Make sure to get it all even. It needs to be straightened a little bit. Yeah, there. That should be good. And
sorry folks, Mama's helping him out from the background so that way we can make sure he does it right. He's still learning.
we're gonna take our t-shirt guide and then line it up.
The top 2 corners.
It needs to be centered a little more. There. Yeah, that should be good.
Okay. How much time is left on the cutting part of the silver? The silver's got the most detail to it, doesn't it?
We're about 50% done.
So, tell them a little bit about yourself, Cameron. How old are you?
I'm 11. Wait, no, I'm 12.
What grade are you going into?
7th grade.
Are you nervous filming your first tutorial by yourself?
Yeah, very.
You're doing good.
We have about 40% left.
Yeah, but it goes pretty quickly. And while you're cutting and weeding the silver, I'll take and get the gray one going for you.
Okay.
So, why do you like helping make stuff?
It's just a fun thing to do. It's it's just fun helping around.
Do you think you can master all this by yourself one of these days?
Probably, but it'll probably take some time.
I think so too.
That's kind of with anything. It just takes time.
So, anything you want to tell the viewers?
Subscribe.
Okie dokie.
We have about 5% left.
Yep, and that part doesn't take very long at all. So we'll go ahead and walk over to the machine. See my lazy bum of a dog, Stevie? Jesus, you guys should not to sleep now. See her with the tongue? Isn't she the cutest? Okay, go ahead and unload that. Okay.
And I want
Go ahead and trim the bottom off, but don't cut off your letters, remember?
Mm-hmm.
And you can go ahead and start weeding that.
Okay.
Sorry guys if the camera footage is shaky. I'm trying to help Cameron along the way some. And why did you want to make a Godzilla shirt?
Because I really like Godzilla. The new movie and like a bunch of this and in general. It's always been one of my favorite things, like with Jurassic Park.
Okay, you're holding it upside down, remember?
Oh yeah. This peels off really easily. I gotta be careful though.
No, you don't.
Really?
Yep, just ink on it.
Okay.
See? Keep going. Okay.
And see the pick?
Here, hand me your trash.
There you go. There we go.
Okay. Now, what do?
We get
We can go ahead and put, hold on. Okay, go ahead and I'll help you with this Teflon sheet. So do we need to fold it?
Yes.
Wrong way.
Okay. Okay, and we line this up with the center.
Mm-hmm.
We need a. And okay.
Okay. Now you can take that out.
And now we can just.
Now when we press this, we're gonna press, as you can see, it's set on 307 degrees, okay? Push it down. And we want to do that till it says, there we go, stop. Okay? Okay, we gotta let that cool for a second, but I think we can go ahead and go unload.
The black.
Uh-huh. See, this one's got lots more tiny little pieces in it, so you're gonna have to trim that one down. Now remember, these pieces that you see that we're cutting off go into the scrap box.
Mm-hmm.
I think he's doing pretty good for his first real all by himself shirt. You're good. Okay.
Where's the pick?
Where did you put the pick?
I put it back. Did it fall? Oh no, it's just under everything. Okay. I have to be more careful with this one, since it has more tiny lettering.
Well, not really, because all the tiny stuff. Yeah.
There we go. Now I can.
Okay. Think that's ready to stick.
Yes, it. Routine. Okay.
Hold on.
Then
Hold that just a second. I'm just adjusting. See right there?
Mm-hmm.
Now he has an even outline all the way around him. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Ah.
You gotta push it. Push it again. Hold on. Now push it. Okay. Think you're okay to peel it?
Mm-hmm. That looks really nice.
Okay. Now you need this again.
Press it one more time.
And how long do we do it for the next time?
5
3 to
seconds.
4 seconds. Okay. Push it. Push again. There we go. It's hot.
Yeah.
Okay, pull your shirt off.
Okay. I am very proud of myself.
Look how good that looks. Cameron's first t-shirt he made all by himself. Now, what do you tell the people to do?
Subscribe.
Hold it where people can see it.
Like the video. Follow us on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and Snapchat.
How often do we post?
Every weekday.
Other than that,
Thanks and have a great day. Bye.